Hi, I'm Erica from Taylor's Debaters, and I'll be reading Vincent and the Ballroom Dance by eBooKids, illustrated by eBooKids as well. Every Sunday, little Vincent goes to visit his grandmother who lives in a retirement home. He likes spending time with her because she gives him candy and the other grandmothers and grandfathers are nice with him. And on Sunday, there is a special event at the retirement home. It is the tea dance, and all the elderly people will dance in the hall of festivals. Waltz, rock, tango, salsa. Vincent discovers with joy all these dances, accompanied with an orchestra. Vincent learns with them the waltz steps. He's having a lot of fun. Suddenly, he turns and finds three of his school friends watching him from behind the window. They are making fun of him. "You're dancing like the old folks," they shout from behind the glass window. Vincent doesn't get discouraged and goes outside to meet them. "Don't laugh at me. You would rather come and have a close look at these dances." The boys follow him, stunned. "First, these are not old people's dances. Do you know what a tango is?" Vincent asks his friends. "No," they answer. "I will show you what it is." And Vincent and his grandmother dance together a tango. All of his friends have their eyes wide opened. How well is Vincent dancing? "Do you know salsa?" Vincent asks his friends again. "No," they reply. Vincent then starts a furious salsa. Even his friends start to dance, overtaken by the music rhythm. These are wonderful dances from all countries. They are not dances only for grandparents, certainly not. Everyone can learn to dance. "Look how we are having fun with Vincent," explains his grandmother to his friends. And all together, they learn the steps of the different dances. Laurent prefers salsa. He likes to jiggle, while Nicholas prefers waltz. It is a softer dance which gives him the feeling of floating. Matthew enjoys discovering the jive because he can jump everywhere. Now, you can all come with me on Sunday for the tea party dance. And we can also organize competitions with other school friends to nominate the best dancer, shouts Vincent. He is happy because today he taught something to his friends. He passed out a new passion that they thought it was just for the old people. He's going to put back the ballroom dance on fashion tray. The end. Now, I think it is important to read because you get to see the world and life through the eyes of different people, from the author, from the characters, and it gives you new perspectives and new lessons that you can incorporate to your life as well. So keep reading, everyone. It's a really good and important habit. Thank you and take care.